Good morning, friends, all the pharmacists and general public. Today, I want to convey some special message, that is a model prescription, how a prescription should be, what is the criteria of the different criteria, and standard prescription format that is launched by the Medical Council of India, which is actually violated by the norms. So here, from the beginning, I want to start with that. According to Medical Council of India, I want to show that this is a prescription format. A special prescription format is shown where, and this is the prescription format. And I want to elaborate the same thing, that is along with the doctor name, their registration and address and patient name, then their medicines, 1 to 3 medicines they are prescribing, like strength, dose, instruction and duration and quantity of the medicine they should prescribe. And why I am here and why I am discussing this, that one of the most important issue is that, and the most important part of this prescription format and standard prescription format is, that is the sign and approval by the and dispensed by a registered pharmacist, so which is missing. And because of that, whatever medicine it is prescribed, and it is not standardized, because there are maybe drug interaction, there may be adverse drug reactions, so there may be synergistic action, there may be additive actions, and all this should be minimized by the authority of a registered pharmacist. So this is missing in all the prescriptions, and I request all the doctors and the public also that without the seal and signature finally on the prescription, you should not get the medicine, and you should not administer to yourself all kind of medicines, because all medicines are poisons or all medicines are drugs, but all drugs are not medicines. So you should remember that any medicine which are given by unauthorized person, which are not given by, dispensed by not a registered pharmacist, then it may be a poison also, because there may be drug interaction, there may be dose disturbance, there may be timing disturbance, there may be one drug cannot be taken with another drug. So out of 4 or 5 drugs, there may be a problem to your body. So because of that, this is very nicely Medical Council of India has given this format for a standard prescription. But this is, most of the doctors are violated this. So I request entire country, that especially the pharmacy association, and that for violation there should you should go to the court against any doctors who are violating this MCI guidelines, and violating the public cause, because the publics are mainly suffering because of the not having this criteria, and not having the consult with the pharmacist. So especially, so this is this pharmacy week we are especially celebrating with to implement the prescription format to entire country, irrespective, even in the clinic or even. So I request all the persons, including pharmacists and doctors, and even the common patients also, that without standard prescription format should be followed. That is the benefit to the public cause. So thank you very much, and remaining up to you. So how it can be implemented, and definitely public and as well as pharmacy association should go to the court to implement this if it is doctors are violating this, because law is law for everyone. So when we have the statutory body like Medical Council of India, violating that is a crime. Thank you very much. Thank you.